In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage account ownership by revoking owner privileges from an existing owner. This process is important for maintaining the right level of access and ensuring that your account is managed efficiently and securely. Let's get started. First, you'll need to sign in as an existing owner. Since you're likely familiar with the platform, access your personal avatar, which is usually situated in the top right corner of your screen. Once there, look for the section called Admin Land. Admin Land is essentially the hub for all administrative tasks related to your account, providing a centralized place to manage various aspects of your platform usage. Once you're in Admin Land, focus your attention on the option labeled Remove Account Owners. This is the key area where you can manage the list of people who have owner privileges on your account. By clicking this, you'll be directed to a comprehensive list of all current account owners. This list is your go-to resource for understanding who holds administrative control and how those responsibilities are distributed. Now, in this list, carefully locate the name of the person whose owner permissions you intend to revoke. Take a moment to double-check that you have selected the correct individual. Alongside their name, you'll notice a button labeled Revoke. This button is your tool for removing their enhanced access privileges. Go ahead and click Revoke. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking you to confirm the decision. This step is crucial as it's the final opportunity to ensure you're making the right choice. By confirming the removal, the person's owner role will be revoked. Remember, revoking owner privileges doesn't mean they lose access to the account altogether. They may still remain a regular user or member if they've been assigned those roles separately, so there's no need to worry about completely locking them out unless that is your intention. And there you have it. You've successfully removed owner powers from an existing owner on your account. This simple yet essential action helps safeguard your account's security and ensures that the right people have the right level of access. If you need to reassign owner privileges or adjust user roles again in the future, you can return to this section in Admin Land and make changes as necessary. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your account effectively. Until next time, take care.